Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we out here to bring you the third episode of Bollywood Hungama 2012 one-on-one from July to September.
I have always wanted to kiss Anurag Basu for a long time.
Farah Khan and Shah Rukh Khan together.
The director rejected me completely.
I never used to like laddus, to be honest.
I'm a passionate person and I like to give everything that I have to whatever I'm doing.
People have liked the film, which is like gives me immense pleasure.
John recently, he said somewhere that some girl inserted her hand in his t-shirt, in fact.
Also in other places, but
Other places as well.
I don't think I would ever want to be a part of an English film just for the sake of it being a Hollywood film.
Aamir Khan from Chicago talks about the success of Satyameva Jayate and explains why he loves to take up most difficult tasks.
I think every work that you do can be easy or difficult, it's up to you. And it's not a question of easy and difficult also. It's a question of how deep you want to go into anything. So no matter what I'm doing, I'm a passionate person and I like to give everything that I have to whatever I'm doing. It could be playing a game of chess, it could be eating a meal, it could be talking to my friends. When I'm talking to you, my entire attention should be on you and not on anything else. So I like to give myself fully to everything that I do.
Salman Khan, after the success of Ek Tha Tiger, is nonchalant as he talks about the success and humongous opening of Ek Tha Tiger.
If you come outside a theatre and you praise a film, that means you know that the film is a good film, people are going to watch the film. So we're happy, fortunate that the opening is good. People have liked the film, which is like gives me immense pleasure.
Imran Hashmi gets naughty when asked about his interaction with fans.
At any point of time, have girls tried to just maybe ask kisses from you or maybe try to feel you or something? John recently, he said somewhere that some girl inserted her hand in his t-shirt, in fact.
yeah, I've got that. Also in other places, but
Other places as well.
Happy New Year will be one of the most awaited films of 2013. Its director Farah Khan reveals exclusive details about the film.
तो आपने पिछली बार मुझसे कहा था कि that your lips are sealed.
My lips are still sealed. Shah Rukh thinks that nobody should know anything what is happening. So I told him, you're living in some other world now. Now if you're sneezing at home also people come to know.
That is true.
But we will make an announcement as when we are ready to make one. When we have the entire star cast together. Because there's no point in trickling out. Nothing is finalized. More than a dancer, we need a very good actress.
Right,
we need someone like hot looking.
Okay, so any
So I think it'll be me.
Can we take guesses?
I think I'll have to do it now. Who else can do it?
With all the weight loss and all that you
Then
had.
why do you think I'm doing the weight loss?
क्या बात है. Alright, in fact, you and Shah Rukh just dance together at the.
Aren't we cute? We make a cute couple.
Fantastic,
See, Faridun,
fantastic.
I am the
breaking
girl.
news.
Breaking
Farah
news.
Khan and Shah Rukh Khan together in Happy New Year.
The very stunning Kareena Kapoor mouthed some shocking lines in Heroine. Does she endorse them in real life too?
मुंबई डेली की एसोसिएट एडिटर हो तुम. फिल्म स्टार्स की फ्रेंडशिप तुमसे नहीं तुम्हारी पोजीशन से है. A friend of mine was saying that अभी इसके बाद whenever Kareena is coming to our office or something and she meets us, and we know that.
Actually, this is a film. This is a film, and it's giving insight.
I'm not saying that. A friend of mine told me that whenever she smiles, we know that.
No, but Heroine is also about it. Gives a little insight on the life of an actress, as well as there's an underlay of what's happening in the film industry. That is the whole thing.
Chalu Barfi Ranbir Kapoor on why he kissed his director Anurag at the promo launch of Barfi.
Yeah, it's all natural instinct. I have always wanted to kiss Anurag Basu for a long time. शूटिंग के दौरान मौका मिला नहीं, वो बहुत बिजी थे और बहुत गुस्सा करते थे. तो मुझे मौका मिला उस दिन जब किसी ने लियाना से पूछा कि किस कैसे करते हैं. तो बहुत ही ऐसा सवाल था कि मैंने वो क्या बोलते हैं, I took advantage of the situation. कि बोला अब तो मैं इसको किस कर सकता हूँ. तो मेरी जो मन जो ख्वाहिश थी वो पूरी भी हो गई.
Priyanka Chopra created Hungama with her first single In My City. Now, as the next logical step, will she veer towards Hollywood?
I don't know. Well, if CA decides they want to make that happen, but I've never really planned my life. things have always just happened. I know that I love movies, whatever language it is. I don't think I would ever want to be a part of an English film just for the sake of it being a Hollywood film. I would do a Hollywood film if it had a great part in it. Till then, I'm happy singing and I'm happy being in Bollywood.
A director rejects Akshay Kumar in his own film. Yes, you heard it right. Take a look.
I think Prabhudeva, we spoke to him recently as well, and he said that initially you had told him that maybe you wanted him to choreograph the song and you would be there in that particular song, but finally you got him to just be a part of the song as well.
I tried my level best to put myself in the screenplay, but the director rejected me completely.
Ronnie Mukherjee explains the concept of tall, dark, handsome.
जब हम गोरे लोग या गोरे एक्टर्स की बात करते थे तो हम लोग पठान के बारे में बात करते थे, जो हमारे इंडस्ट्री में शम्मी कपूर रह चुके हैं, जॉय मुखर्जी रह चुके हैं, जो टॉल फेयर एंड हैंडसम होते थे, और टॉल डार्क एंड हैंडसम में अमिताभ बच्चन आते हैं, मिथुन चक्रवर्ती आते हैं. तो आई थिंक one needs to look at it in that way. It's a thing that is said as a compliment to men who are dark and tall and very, very handsome looking.
Sridevi made a comeback with English Vinglish and she talks about her sudden obsession with laddus.
I never used to like laddus, to be honest.
Right.
But after this film, I don't know, I really crave to eat laddus. I don't know.
We'll be back very soon with the final part of Bollywood Hungama 1-on-1. Till then, keep on watching.